Kick it.
Hi, this is Mr. Black Tie. I want to thank everyone for giving support to colored people. And of course, I want to thank Blick Art Material, Art Primo, and Jacquard. You guys have been doing so much for us for giving support. And those who have been liking the page of colored people, thank you. Now about Liquid Raindrops, we're looking for DJs.
Kick it.
And it doesn't matter what style of DJing you're doing, it just submit. And also for poets, we're looking for poets. Now, some poets do spoken word, some poets just write. So either way, submit your work and we'll see what we can do with you guys. But you have to go to Liquid Raindrops for that. And those that we pick from Liquid Raindrops will perform at Colored People. Anyway, I gotta go. Got a lot of stuff to do. Much love.